Aldrovandus obtained the dead body and made measurements and a drawing. He even had the animal mounted for a museum. It had a long neck, a very long tail, and a fat body. The skeletons of a number of ancient reptile-like creatures called Canistropias have similarities to the basic description that he gave. One dragon story from the ancient land of Sumer in Babylon tells of the hero Gilgamesh. He decided to make a name for himself by traveling to a distant land to cut great cedar trees needed for his city. He reached the forest with 50 volunteers and discovered a huge reptile-like animal which ate trees and reeds. The story simply says that Gilgamesh killed it and cut off its head for a trophy. Thousands of dragon stories and pictures can be found in ancient Chinese books and art. One legend tells about a famous Chinese man named Yu. The story says after the Great Worldwide Flood, Yu surveyed the land of China and divided it into sections. He built channels to drain the water off to the sea and helped make the land livable again. Many snakes and dragons were driven off from the marshlands when Yu created the new farmlands. Some old Chinese books even tell of a family that kept dragons and raised them to use their blood and body parts for medicines. In 1611, the emperor appointed the post of royal dragon feeder. An Irish writer recorded an encounter with a large beast with iron-like spikes on its tail, which pointed backwards. Its head had the shape of a horse's, and it had thick legs.
When is the Sabbath, man? When is Shabbat, man? You know what I mean? It's, you know, I just, said Shabbat Shalom on IG, man, and, man, somebody came in there banging, man. This ain't the Sabbath, man. Sabbath was yesterday. You know what I mean? You gotta follow this cycle, then the lunar this, and this, and this, and that. And look, man, look. You could be right. You know what I mean? You could be right, man. You know, this one is, I heard different ways. I heard Wednesday. And then, you know, that's all cool. Where it gets, where it gets a little zany and we're trying to be zany is when it goes from
On the Exegesis of the Soul, translated by Willis Barnstone and Marvin Myers. Virginity and Defilement. Sages gave the soul a feminine name. In nature, she is also feminine. She even has a womb. While she was alone with her father, she was